everyone, welcome back to a brand new episode of a tutorial, and today we are going to be doing the tutorial with Premiere Pro. Stabilizing. So if we talk about stabilizing a cinematic video, a vlog, those things should really be really stabilized actually. Like in my Calendar vlog video, it was really hard to stabilize it with my hand, and now I have video clip which I have stabilized, kind of shaked on purpose, and sometimes it shaked normally, not on purpose actually, So what we will be doing today is we are going to see how to add the warp stabilizer or the stabilizer effect in Premiere Pro, which means it will digitally stabilize the video. Let's get into the tutorial. When you go to your clip, so this is the interface you get. So as normal, you just play the clip. So let's just try playing the clip. So you see it's not really stable enough, and the quality is not enough. So I can just do it with a simple music, and the music is going to be this. Just share it up to the beat. That was the thing. So real quick, let's just start it. So I'll zoom the sequence with Alt and the scroll wheel. So after that, so I just need this part about there, because from there, how about like this leaves like the tiered part, so I don't need that. From the next frame it's coming, so let's cut it from here. And now let's see. Okay, so now I'm gonna choose this, right click on it, then go to speed or duration, then make it around 89.6 I guess. So we'll just edit it with the music, so it's easy. Yeah, that's okay. Now the beat is over there. So up to the beat, I should just make it nice. So yeah, let's go. And now I just marked it there with the key, like the key I in the keyboard, so you can add like a marker. Okay, so I have this. Let's see what's next. Next we have these clips. We don't need that part. We don't really need this whole part. Now let's set this and check. Just take it about here. I'll make something with this clip. And the location is the Pearl Bay restaurant. So the amusement park in Sri Lanka, Pearl Bay. So the restaurant of Pearl Bay is the location. We'll just add it somewhere around here, and we'll just zoom this clip in and make some settings. Now let's just try it out. Let's just add it to the beat. Let's check it. Alright, so let's just add the crop effect to it, because if you remember the rule for a cinematic video, the crop effect, cinematic black bars will make the video really cool. So I choose this, go to effect controls, make it around 9, I guess. Yeah. Okay. Now this, I'm gonna copy it, go here, then paste it. There we go. We have it applied in everything. Now, you see, like, the main topic is that these things are not stable enough. So, we'll make it like that. So for starting it, first we should make this clip stable. So this is not actually bad, so I'll just even though add it. So let's see, I'll go to the effects panel and search warp stabilizer. So it's on the video effects, distort and warp stabilizer. Add it to the clip which you want to get stabilized. So warp stabilizer and speed can't be used in the same clip. Oh no, so what are you going to do now? I knew this, so I just thought of it and I did it on purpose because I should tell you guys how to make it, like, if that error comes to you. So as you can remember, we added the crop effect, like the cinematic black bars, to our video. So there are two methods to solve this problem. First things first, you can create an adjustment layer. So next, go to adjustment layer, like drag the adjustment layer, and now after you drag the adjustment layer, you can choose the clip, go to effect controls, cut the crop effect, and go to adjustment layer, effect controls, paste. So now if you try it, again it says warp stabilizer and speed can't be used in same clip. So if you can remember, we changed the speed of the clip, speed from speed or duration, so we made it slow, so we can't use it. You see the problem? So what can we actually do for this? So wait a second, don't leave, it's not finished yet. What you can do is just don't remove any crop, like from the crop effect or anything else. I'll just get back the crop effect, cut it out, then delete this layer, go here and paste the crop effect. There we go. We should have it. Yeah, we have it here. Now I'm gonna remove the warp stabilizer because I did it twice. So how are we going to actually fix it? The way is that do you know this nesting option? So click on nest and you can give any name you want. So after that, you see the color will change, like the label. And now let's try adding the warp stabilizer to the clip, analyzing in background. You see, it works pretty fine, so no problem, no errors, so it's really easy, right? Yeah, stabilizing, save project. Alright, so our clip is fully stabilized. Let's see how it is. Again. You see, now this is the messiest part. You know, like, it's not actually really well stabilized, but, and as you can remember, this this clip was nested, so I have cut it into pieces. So if you don't just have pieces, you don't need to just like nest one by one. So I just nest all the clips quick. Alright, so I'm done nesting the clips. Next, let's add the web stabilizer for the main clip. You see, it's the messiest part. Let's see how it actually works. So let's see how much time it takes for this really messy clip. Whoa people, wait a second. Did you just see the mistake? Let's check it out again. Just see this, just observe the cinematic. Dude, these things are going really crazy, you know. So what can we actually do for this? So as you can remember, two methods to minimize the mistake. So if you don't add cinematic black bars, no problem. But most of the people add it, and you need the stabilizer for things like, I took this video handheld and I shaked it on purpose actually. So you can see the cinematic black bars are almost all over. What we can do is just I'll remove the web stabilizer. Okay, and as you can remember, we have nested the clip. So what you can do is just alright, take it back, so don't do this mistake. Alright, so I'm back with the clip. So now I'll remove the crop effect. So the adjustment layer is the main option we can go to. I think there are more options. Let's talk about it in the future videos, because I don't want to make this really hard and stuff. Just make it, I just want to make it really simple. Okay, now where's the crop effect? I'll make the crop settings quick. Right, so let's try adding the web stabilizer now. Web stabilizer and speed can't be used on the same clip. So can you remember? We should nest it. Now it's the time for the magic to happen. So I'm gonna add the timer in the next clip. But wait, we have this error. You see, the errors are fixed, so as you don't do the mistake, it's alright. So here you can see, let's move to the clip. You can see that it's stabilized. You see, it's actually happening really good. Oh my god, the messy thing. So let the timer begin. Right, so let's see how much time it actually takes. The video is really shaky. Actually, we can't fix it digitally, even though we have methods, but in the method we are talking, that's pretty much it. So let's try one thing. I think this would work. Let's nest it again, then add the stabilizer again. Overclocking the stabilizer effect in yeah, let's see. It will be good. You see the clips getting really messy at that point. So I'm not gonna add that. However, we'll go to the next clip, so we can actually fix it digitally. There are options, but you know, in the method we are speaking, it's hard. Okay. Actually, that's pretty good. let's try it out without color grading. So that's a little messy, you know. Yeah, that was it. Let's try color grading. Okay everyone, so after all, here we go to the final edit. Alright people, so hope the tutorial was alright, and make sure you subscribe, like and share our channel. Also make sure to comment about the problems you have about this tutorial, also about our videos in this channel. So what are the content that I should bring in the future, things like the softwares like the OBS and stuff, and is it okay if I upload shorts about those things and just do tutorials in the channel? So comment about all your ideas about my tutorials and the content I should bring. So hope this tutorial was clear and you understood it. So let's meet from a brand new episode like this. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.